And welcome to this presentation about a new course that we have PE department have decided to put on for next year for GCSE. So this will be running alongside PE GCSE, and it is something different. It's more coursework based, it's more practical based. So if you're not very good at exams, this would be perfect for you. It is called the Applied Certificate in Sports Studies. So I'm going to go through it a little bit, and hopefully you can decide at the end whether this is a course that you would like to choose. So this qualification is for students who wish to develop applied knowledge and practical skills in sports. Okay, like I said before, it's more practical than it would be for your GCSE PE if you took that. But there are still elements where you will have your theory and classroom-based and exams. There is a much larger practical element to this than there is in GCSE PE, but it's not all practical. So you need to remember that it's not all practical. You will still have theory-based lessons, you will still be in the classroom, you'll still have coursework. It's not just running around and having fun. What do we study? So there are 2 compulsory units that every single person needs to study, and that is contemporary issues in sport, developing sports skills, and then there's an optional 2 units that we will decide what we're going to take. So that could be sports leadership, it could be sport and the media, developing knowledge, skills in outdoor activities, and working in the sports industry. So this is different when we compare it to GCSE PE and what we learn then. Okay, so this is more broader, and this will help you for BTEC subjects if you want to go to college at uni. How will I be assessed? So, like I said at the beginning, it is more practical based or coursework based. So there are 3 quarters of this course is assessed through school-based projects. So that could be coursework, that could be doing some practical exams, which are then moderated by the exam board. So we'll send that off and it will be moderated. The remaining quarter, so it would just be 1 quarter, is assessed in a formal written exam. So like I said, this is more of a coursework based than it would be exam based. So you only have a quarter of that being an exam. If you prefer to do coursework, this is the best course to decide in comparison to GCSE PE. Is this the right course for me? So yes, this is the right course for you if you have an interest in sport and fitness and would prefer more coursework-based assessments. Yes, if you are prepared to work hard from the start and know all work will count towards your final grade. So when you start in year 10, the whole 2 years, everything that you complete could potentially be going towards your final grade because it's coursework assessed. You could have practical assessments. So you've got to make sure you're working hard throughout those 2 years and you would have your exam, but it doesn't mean that everything happens at the end, like if you did GCSE PE and you just had the exams at the end. It is not suitable for you if you're not sure what you want to do in the future and need a more general set of academic GCSEs. And it's not suitable if you think you want to do A-level PE. It will be suitable for you if you think you want to go do vocational subjects and you want to do BTECs or go to college to study BTEC. Okay, but if you want to do A-level PE, this is not the course for you. Where might this course take me in the future? So this course might lead to an applied post 16 qualification in sport, like we were saying if you go into college as well, or something similar to fitness related. Alternatively, you might wish to find work in an industry as an apprentice or as a trainee after doing this course, like a coach. Careers this course may lead you on to include sports coaching, personal fitness training, so if you want to be a PT, sports retail, outdoor activities management, recreational assistance, or sports administration. So it's for those who want to be part of sport, but they aren't aspiring to be PE teachers or anything like that. So if you want to do that, it's more towards the GCSE PE. Here's a little bit of a comparison just to help you a little bit more to decide whether you want to do GCSE PE or the sports studies course. So GCSE PE, like we said before, there's lots of assessments. It's very theory based. So remember when we do our assessments in year 9, we do the Thinking Me assessment. So the Thinking Me assessment, if you are always getting really good marks in this and you're really strong, then please choose GCSE PE. And if you're good at exams, choose GCSE PE, because we want you to reach your full potential by getting that GCSE PE instead of a BTEC course. To do sports studies, if you are more coursework based on your assessments, okay, you don't like doing exams, if you love PE but struggle with the Thinking Me and the theory aspect, okay, some of you are great in practicals, some of you love PE, but you're just not quite strong enough in terms of your theory, then sports studies is the course for you. So hopefully this has given you a bit more of an idea. Please come and find anyone in the PE department if you want to talk about it. We are happy to help, and we hope that some of you choose this course.